Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Not a lot of progress this week. Had rain, tons of rain. But anyhow, got very little done. The rain just killed me. Just couldn't make any. Every time I try to start something, I got one coat of the paint on the tanks. Thinking this was my second coat, and I wanted to put 3 or 4. So just really couldn't get a lot done with the rain, the weather, the way it was. So just really hampered me. And I tried to do a few things here and there, but just couldn't do it. This week's video is going to be short. Not much to report. Did a few little things you'll see in the video. But I don't know. I don't know if I'd watch it. So you might want to skip it and just wait till next week. So hopefully I'll get a lot done. But anyhow, here's what I got. Hope you enjoy. This is week 10 of Nautical Nonsense.
All right, some sanding. Sanding off the primer. And then we're going to sand it down and get it ready to paint. Alright, made some discoveries this morning. We've had a storm. Well, like I said in my opening, it's rained all week. So, we had a good little storm this morning come through. And I looked down here and noticed this. So, big old limb fell in the boat. Luckily it didn't hit my motor. So, got that little project to work on real quick. So, the log is out. Looks like I need to do some dock cleanup. Bilge pump, keeping it pumped out. So to this solar panel, keep the battery charged. That over there, it's Nautical Nonsense. That's Reef Reaper. So, I need to be working on that one. But I keep dealing with this all day. I also have this project that I need to either work on or sell or just give it to somebody if I knew they would fix it up. It got loose during the last little storm. Broke the mast out. I've got it. Which that's not that hard of a fix. But yeah, nice little sailboat. I acquired it a few months ago from somebody that wanted to park it here. Well, it's been a year or so. They wanted to park it here, so it's still here. And well, I ended up purchasing it from them. But it needs a good home. I just got too many projects to work on it right now. So this is where the boat's parked at. Now, once I finish it, if things go according to plan, we're going to move down here where the water's always deeper and build a dock right in his area. And then that would give me right around that corner there, hooks into the main river. And you can almost see it right through there. So just come right around here. This would be better. The tide, when we have a real low tide, it doesn't get us low right here as it does around there. All right, head down here to Nautical Nonsense. See what we got going on. The rain's held off for a few minutes. We're in between rain showers. Oh yeah, look at there. Got a little water down in there. Of course, the bilge pump's laying on its side way up here. That's not doing much good. So I want to try to get down here and make some progress here in a little bit. Got to get that one out of the water and get the bottom planed on it. Just a lot of little things to do. That boat is a 1972 Seacraft. I redid it 6 years ago, 7 years ago maybe. But it's about time for a fresh coat of paint. We didn't do the outside. We just did the inside, new floors. And my next thing on it, if I do it again, is cut all this out back here and put a transom, the transom. Fill that all the way across there, put a bracket out here, hang a new motor on the back. That was my plan for that one next time I do it. Of course, there's a sailboat back there that needs something done to it, and I need to get that out of the water. So, there you go. This right here is Mr. Trump Cat. He was Trump before Trump was Trump. This right here is my director, Max. He likes to be in every video barking. He loves to bark at everything. He has saved me from 120 squirrels, 1 possum, 4 raccoons, a mail truck every day, the UPS driver. He's always alertness. That's Lily Cat. Hey, Lily. What's up? What I hate most about doing projects is cleaning up, as you can tell. Right now, my wife is out of commission. She's got a bad knee, so she hasn't made it back here to see this. If I got caught with it like this, I might be in the doghouse with my knees broken. But gotta clean this up so we can have company and they not talk about us when they leave. Well, they're gonna talk about you. Company's gonna talk about you either way. But this will give them one less thing to talk about. The board that if it ever quits raining, we will put in. A selfie stick, something I thought I'd never say, that I own. Okay, so that's a little better. At least you can walk around. Maybe that'll keep me out of the doghouse. Another rainy afternoon that I probably won't be able to work on the boat. Not sure if you can see this or not. I don't know if the camera's adjusted good enough, but this is a Bennett fluid level range, fills up to here. You can see there's fluid in there, right there. This is the pump motor for the trim tabs. Uses automatic transmission fluid. You've seen me remove it in one of the earlier videos. I want to make sure it works. It wasn't working before, but I had problems getting power to the back of the boat anyhow. None of my lights in the back work. So I'm hoping it's just I hope this is still good. Don't have to replace this. So let's see what we got. Looks like we've had some water intrusion. They're black all the way down. So let's see what we got now. Power wire. So the red is working. No green. Ah. So it's working that way. Look at there, I'll pump some fluid. Alright.
So I might need to do some studying to see to make sure. Maybe it's a reverse polarity to make it run the other way. Okay, here we are at the kitchen sink. This may be my last episode if my wife watches this video. But I'm going to clean these up with soap and water. And I'm going to use this to hopefully clean this guy. So if you don't see more videos after this, you know what happened. Read the obituaries. As you can see there, I was cleaning up the Bennett trim tab pump, the hydraulic pump. I did finish cleaning it up. I should have showed a picture of it being completed, but or completely cleaned, not completed. But about halfway through that process, I was thinking, this thing's got a lot of problems. It needs new solenoids, new motor. Probably be better just to buy a new unit. So I got to digging around, and I think what I'm going to do, if funds allow, if I can find it in my budget, is I want to put electric trim tabs. That eliminates the hydraulics. Don't have to worry about that hydraulics problem in the bottom of the boat or trying to refill it. So I think I'm going to go that route. So this week's video is very scattered. As you can tell, if you made it this far, God bless you. I don't know if I could watch it this long. But anyhow. So, but right now it's nice and sunny. Getting ready to go to a doctor's appointment with my wife on her knee and see how that goes, and then might be able to come back and start on next week's videos, maybe have some good stuff to show. So, this old boat's got a lot of work to do and a lot of stuff to be done on it. But some of my friends were like, Jeff, man, and even my son was like, Dad, just why don't you get another boat? Why did you do this? And, maybe when I bought this, there was reasons, or I wasn't clear in my mind. Maybe, who knows? Oh man, I just had a thought. Let's don't get a didgeridoo. Let's get a boat, man. We can go sailing, check out the fishes, get into all kinds of crazy stuff, man. We can get into some nautical nonsense. Just kidding. No, I actually got a really good deal on the boat. I've had it several years. This has been my plan all along, is to fix it up and record my progress, whether anybody else watches it or not. At least I'll have my own documentation to look back on it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the like button. Share with your friends. And let's see how this goes. Thank you very much.